we left Warderick Wells and headed south about 6 or 7 miles to our next destination, O'Brien Cay. We spent a couple days here with our friends exploring this area, and there's a lot of cool stuff to see. O'Brien Cay is home to the Aquarium, which has the most incredible snorkeling with thousands and thousands of fish. This was such a fun experience.
He's trying to catch it.
I see the fish.
Come here. Hey, look at all the fish.
And right around the corner from the aquarium, there is an airplane wreck that you can see from the surface, and you can swim down and snorkel it too. Brent took the GoPro and actually swam down and through it. It was pretty cool. And also in the same vicinity is Johnny Depp's private island. However, I was told that he sold it to J.K. Rowling, the lady that wrote the Harry Potter books. And since we weren't welcome on this beach, we found another beach to crash, which ended up being way cooler anyway because we found this huge pile of hermit crabs.
Mom, what is those, Mom? What is
Hermit
those?
crabs. Those are hermit crabs.
Yeah, but,
We enjoyed our time at O'Brien's, but we really needed to get to a grocery store. We haven't provisioned since Nassau, and we are completely out of fresh fruits and veggies. So our next stop is Staniel Cay.
And Ari's crazy Daisy because she's crazy.
Ari, are you crazy Daisy?
this was a pig race?
Maybe. They got islands
Yeah.
around here known for having pigs.
And I'm Big Mama Karma. From now on, that's the only thing I will be answering to.
I want to be ginger, though.
Dumpling.
Big Papa Dumpling over here for B-Dog.
Why can't it be ginger?
Big Papa Dumpling. That even kind of looks like B-Dog, don't it?
A little bit in the eyes, yeah.
And Ginger.
I want to be ginger.
Okay, but I'm literally a ginger. So, I guess.
Go take a picture with your pig, Anna. And there's the Pink Pearl Market that we're going to. Fun fact. Aria says she's going to name her super yacht the Pink Pearl when she grows up. And there's our friends, Jeremy and Jenya. So you may recognize these guys, or their boat. It's been in the background a few times. We officially met them in Warderick, but we were also right across the dock from them in Nassau for New Year's.
All right, good to be neighbors again. I know, feeling great.
But this crew right here, we sailed thousands of miles with them. Except they're on a trawler, so I don't know if they technically sailed. Anyway, we will be friends for life. A lot of people ask about school and how we do school on a boat. And so I actually decided to homeschool my kids before we ever thought about buying a boat. So for us, homeschool on a boat looks very much like homeschool in a house. Go 4 dots east. And anytime they are building anything, whether it's Legos or forts or anything. I consider that a homeschool
Here, just
win.
gently lift this side up. Gently lift up. Just up. Yep, gently lift it up. Gently. There we go. There we go. Oh, a little bit more. Oh.
Oh no.
It's okay. So that's what they're doing, and this is what they're supposed to be doing.
The what?
Do dinosaurs have tiny brains?
I don't know. Maybe the small ones. You gotta look at the size of their head. If they have a small head, then they have a small brain.
Yeah, the tiny one of the brains. So there.
And no trip to Staniel Cay would be complete without making a stop at Pig Beach.
Hi, Ricky!
Yeah, you smell it?
Uh-huh.
Woo!
What, you want to throw some?
Yeah. At least they're all trying to get back.
Here. Throw it. There you go. Throw it.
Piggies. Hey Dad, I wanted to throw some.
I got one piece for you to throw.
Me?
Yep, throw it.
Ooh.
Back up before they try to load up in. They will try to get inside the thing.
One of my favorite things about cruising in the Bahamas is the sandbar playdates. And this is one of the best sandbars we've been to. Everyone would try and go at low tide and then just hang out until high tide ran us off. This was definitely a kid boat hotspot and was a highlight of our time here at Staniel.
Right there.
Hi, buddy.
Dad, Daddy, a shark. Daddy, shark. Peanut shark.
Stand here. Back up.
What is in the name? Shark hunter.
Shark hunter, back up away from the edge. I don't want you falling in with that guy.
And he's more scared of me than I am of him. He's scared of me too.
Armstrong.
Mom, I'm gonna throw you another night type.
I'm coming. I'm right here.
You see how those night types?
Yeah.
And da.
Yeah, I see him.
Mom, do me. I want to find a big V tag and one of these tiny tags. On the inside, I was a type.
We head just a little further south to Black Point. Look at me, guys. There's not really much to see and do in Black Point. There's a couple nice restaurants, and we did laundry with an amazing view. And there are a couple little hikes that you can take, but that's about it. We also met another sailing family called Zoku. We hung out with these guys a ton throughout the Caribbean and went on so many adventures, so you will definitely see these guys again. We took a short hike with our new friends to go see this little blowhole that was actually blowing a little bit. Right around the corner from Black Point is Little Bay, and this beach has the softest sand I have ever felt underneath my feet. And this is where we spent my first birthday on the boat.
There's Mom, Wes, and a beautiful little heart from my beautiful little boy.
Mom,
Yes.
it's a birthday gift for me.
Thank you. I
Stephanie.
love it. I love it.
You guys, let's look at the water.
The only thing I wanted for my birthday was a bonfire on the beach, and so Brent made it happen. We roasted hot dogs and potatoes and marshmallows. I think we had 5 boats total at the beach, and we just had the best time. I couldn't have asked for a better birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, dear Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Stay tuned for next time. Little baby, show the sleep little baby, and cotton in the pan. Take the baby a water bottle. Everybody is on the way. Show the sleep little baby. Show the sleep little baby.